Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This little video is about welding letters together and also using the Control key to your advantage. If you have some text like this and you want them joined together, and you grab the shape tool and you grab this node for the E and you start moving it over, you could inadvertently get it offline. But let's back up here to make sure it's online. If you will grab that node and in a lot of things hold down the Control key, you cannot go up and down. It will only let you go left and right. And if I was going to do these letters and weld them together, I would left click on the X up there, no fill, right click hairline anyway, if you're going to weld them together. Then you could grab the shape tool, grab that node for the E, hold down your control button, and move it over. That way it'll be in line with the A. Grab the X and do the same thing. I was holding down the shift button, it wasn't working. That way with the outline you can see that they're going to touch. And then the T, the same thing, just move it over till it touches. Now to weld these letters together, you have to go to Arrange and break artistic text apart, regroup them again, and you'll see that you don't have anything up here in the weld because you need to convert them to a curve. Now you can select them all and hit weld. Now all these letters are welded together. Every little part. Now this might break. This would be real fragile. And so with this particular font, I don't know, I'd maybe pick another font that had another X that was equal, because these two E's, well, that one does stick out a little bit further. And you could do that. Let's just do that. Let's back up here from the weld, unweld it real quick. They are converted to a curve. So you could grab those two nodes, holding down the control button, and you will join those two nodes. Then you can very easily select them all and hit weld. That'll make it a little bit stronger. I mean, the T is going to be a little weak, but it all depends on what you're going to do with this and depending on what size it is. So that's holding down the control button when you're using the shape tool to make things equal and even. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.